It's Diane, and it's time to introduce our absolutely stunningly gorgeous chandelier quilt kit made with Wilmington Daisy Days fabric. We only have 8 quilt kits available because we've already sold 2 like in an instant. And so if you want these, you need to hop on it quick because the kits are going to be $95, and that's for the quilt top and fabric for the binding. And we also include a spool of glide thread in seafoam, which is the perfect green. You can see that this is what was quilted with, or you maybe can't see what it's quilted with the shadow, but it's just a pale hint of green. This quilt is made with charm packs, and the kit includes the pattern, and we have expanded the pattern to add the pieced inner border and the extra outer border to make it a quilt that is 72 by 72. The fabrics for the charm pack are also in stock, and we've had people interested in those for backings. So we have the pink paisley, we have a white daisy, we have pink daisy chains, we have green daisies, we have, this isn't really a pink, it's more of a salmon color, the large floral. This is a light green daisy chain. This is a white floral that's different than a floral I'll show you in a moment that's a packed floral. This one is a gorgeous green paisley, which is what we've put on the border of this. This one is a gorgeous paisley. This is a packed floral green. We have the pink, and then this is a white packed floral. The illustrations on this art are absolutely beautiful. There's incredible detail. The artwork by Beth Grove for Wilmington is absolutely beautiful. And what we have done is we have paired the fabric for the colors with a beautiful blender. This is called Terrazzo, and it is made by Paintbrush Studio Fabrics in Kansas City. And it's got just a hint of a gold fleck and a hint of a purple fleck, which actually blends beautifully with the Wilmington collection. So this one is one that we put the daisy chain on the back, so you can see that. We just sold one a moment ago that had someone purchased as an additional the paisley that goes on the back, this multi paisley, which is absolutely gorgeous. It takes 4.5 yards for the backing, and this gorgeous quilt kit is going to be on the website and live in just a few minutes. So if you want it, you need to grab it because they aren't going to last long. Anyway, this is the daisy chain, chandelier quilt with the daisy chain back is what we did. And this is the Wilmington Daisy Day collection. And what we did to expand the pattern is where this one was made with charm packs, these borders used the leftover 5 by 2.5 inch strips, so it makes it where you use 100% of the charm packs charm pack pieces that are in the 2 packages. So anyway, shop now, DianneSews.com.